English practice makes perfect.
Daily routines in English.
Wake up. I wake up at 5:30 every morning. I wake up at 5:30 every morning. Turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm at 6 o'clock. I turn off the alarm at 6 o'clock. Get out of bed. I get out of bed and stretch. I get out of bed and stretch. Go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom after I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom after I get out of bed. Wash my face. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth after I wash my face. I brush my teeth after I wash my face. Open the window. I open the window to let in fresh air. I open the window to let in fresh air. Make the bed. I make the bed and start my day. I make the bed and start my day. Meditate. I meditate for 30 minutes. I meditate for 30 minutes. Do some light exercise. I do some light exercise to stay healthy. I do some light exercise to stay healthy. Go to the gym. I go to the gym for a half an hour. I go to the gym for a half an hour. Take a shower. I take a shower and wash my hair. I take a shower and wash my hair. Dry myself off. I dry myself off with a fresh towel. I dry myself off with a fresh towel. Shave. I shave my beard. I shave my beard. Moisturize. I moisturize my skin. I moisturize my skin. Comb my hair. I comb my hair after I get out of the shower. I comb my hair after I get out of the shower. Brush my hair. I brush my hair after I get dressed. I brush my hair after I get dressed. Dry my hair. I dry my hair with the blow dryer. I dry my hair with the blow dryer. Put in. I put in my contacts. I put in my contacts. Put on. I put on my makeup. I put on my makeup. Get dressed. I get dressed in front of the mirror. I get dressed in front of the mirror. Turn on the TV. I turn on the TV and watch the news. I turn on the TV and watch the news. Go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen and turn on the light. I go to the kitchen and turn on the light. Make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee and sit by the window. I make a cup of coffee and sit by the window.
Subscribe.
Make a cup of tea. I make a cup of tea and sit at the kitchen table. I make a cup of tea and sit at the kitchen table. Feed my cat. I feed my cat after I make tea. I feed my cat after I make tea. Walk my dog. I walk my dog around the neighborhood. I walk my dog around the neighborhood. Make breakfast. I make breakfast and listen to the news. I make breakfast and listen to the news. Make lunch. I make lunch for my family. I make lunch for my family. Put on. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. Leave the house. I leave the house at 7:30. I leave the house at 7:30. Drop off my kids. I drop off my kids at school. I drop off my kids at school. Walk to the train station. I walk to the train station to catch the train. I walk to the train station to catch the train. Walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop to catch the bus. I walk to the bus stop to catch the bus. Drive to work. I drive to work and listen to music. I drive to work and listen to music. Get to work. I get to work at 9 o'clock. I get to work at 9 o'clock. Take my lunch break. I take my lunch break from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. I take my lunch break from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Finish work. I finish work around 5 o'clock. I finish work around 5 o'clock. Pick up. I pick up my kids from school. I pick up my kids from school. Get home. I get home around 5:45. I get home around 5:45. Make dinner. I make dinner for my family. I make dinner for my family. Eat dinner. I eat dinner with my family every night. I eat dinner with my family every night. Wash the dishes. I wash the dishes by hand. I wash the dishes by hand. Sweep the kitchen floor. I sweep the kitchen floor after I wash the dishes. I sweep the kitchen floor after I wash the dishes. Take out the garbage. I take out the garbage after I sweep the kitchen floor. I take out the garbage after I sweep the kitchen floor. Do the laundry. I do the laundry every Sunday night. I do the laundry every Sunday night. Go for a walk. I go for a walk after dinner. I go for a walk after dinner. Spend time with my family. I spend time with my family after we eat dinner. I spend time with my family after we eat dinner. Watch TV. I watch TV in the living room. I watch TV in the living room. Read a book. I read a book on the sofa. I read a book on the sofa. Remove my makeup. I remove my makeup and get ready for a bath. I remove my makeup and get ready for a bath. Take a bath. I take a bath and relax after a long day. I take a bath and relax after a long day. Floss my teeth. I floss my teeth after every meal. I floss my teeth after every meal. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth twice a day. I brush my teeth twice a day. Put on my pajamas. I put on my pajamas and get ready for bed. I put on my pajamas and get ready for bed. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 o'clock and fall asleep. I go to bed at 10 o'clock and fall asleep. Subscribe for more English practice. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.